So in this video, we're going to show you how to reset a Dorgard unit. You might need to perform this factory reset if if you're not sure about your settings, what you set on your products, for example, the sensitivity and time released, then what you can do is perform a factory reset to remove all the settings on the product. So in this video, I'll show you how to do this. So to start off, what you need to do is follow the flow chart. I've printed one off here, but you can view this online by following the QR codes which come on the drilling template and also this product update card. And you'll follow these and it will take you to the online digital user guide. And from there, you can see how to perform a factory reset of the product. If we look at the flowchart now, what we're going to do is we're going to go through this list and get to factory reset. So to do this, what we're going to be doing is inserting the batteries, holding down the front button, which you can see on the front here. It's just below the LED for 3 seconds. This will get you into the programming stage. At this point, you'll see one flash green. We want to get to 3 green flashes, which is where the factory reset is. So to get there, you'll press it once. It will then flash 2 green LEDs. Then press it again, and you'll get 3 flashes of green and also 3 beeps you'll hear. At this point, you want to confirm it by holding down the button again for 3 seconds to enter the factory reset stage. And then that's all you need to do. At the end, you'll see 2 green flashes to show it's completed. And your unit has been factory reset, removing all settings. So let's give that a go now. So taking the unit, open up the battery carrier, insert the batteries into the product, and screw it down the top. Once you screw it down, you've got 15 seconds or so until you need to enter the programming stage. So enter the programming stage by holding it down for 1, 2, 3, and let go. That was 1 green flash, so we're here now. Let's press it again. That's 2 green flashes. Let's press it one more time. That's 3 green flashes and 3 beeps to confirm we're now at the factory reset stage. So we need to confirm that now by holding down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And you'll see 2 green flashes at the end, 2 beeps as well. That confirms that we have now factory reset the product and removed all settings. So at that point, after 15 seconds or so, you'll hear the product start up, wear its motor, and it can now be retained on the door. So it's worth noting that if you do not press the button within 15 seconds of the programming stage, then what will happen is it will come out of the programming stage, and this will be shown by a single LED pulse, as you just saw there, and a long elongated beep. So at that point, if you needed to factory reset the product or go in and change other sensitivity adjustments or timed release, you'd have to reboot the product, so taking the batteries out and putting it back in, and then going back into the programming stage.